How to build a Teespring store. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Teespring, now currently known as Spring. Spring is an online platform that allows users to create and sell custom merchandise. With a variety of products to choose from, Teespring is a great option for entrepreneurs and creative looking to monetize their designs. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build a Teespring store from setting up your account and creating your first product to optimizing your store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good understanding of how to use Teespring to start your own e-commerce business and generate income and selling your design. So let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to do is go to this link over here or simply search in Google Teespring or Spring. Now, after doing that, you would find yourself on their page over here. This is currently Spring's page. And what we're going to do is we're either going to click on Start Creating if you don't have an account yet, or click on Login if you already have an account. So for now, we're going to go with Start Creating. Now, after clicking that, you would be redirected to the sign up page and you would need to enter your name or brand name, email, or your password. Or you could create an account through your socials like Facebook, Google, and YouTube. After doing that, you can simply click on sign up over here and you would be able to create your account. Now after logging in or signing up, you would be redirected to this page over here, which is our create section in Teespring, as you can see here on the left side. Now as you can see, this is where we will be able to find different products that we would be able to sell on our store. As you can see here, there are a lot of different categories. Right now, trending categories are digital. There's also apparel, accessories, new to spring, conscious collection, and home. Now, what we're going to do first before we are going to start with our store is to create a product. Now, to create a product, you're simply going to go here, like I said, on the create section. And in this section, you're going to look for the product that you would like to create a design on. You could choose from new products, bestsellers, different apparels like for men, women, and kids and babies. There's also hats, digital, home decor like wall art, drinkware, pillows, blankets, and many more. There's also accessories over here and different collections over here. Now, after choosing, for example, I'm going to go and choose one design I would like to create right now. For example, here, new to spring, I'm going to click this. And it's going to show me all the different products that is related to that category. And we're simply going to look for one that we like the most. For example, this one over here, duffel bag. I'm going to select this. And as you can see here, this is where we begin creating our design. We are currently on the design section over here. And as you can see here on the left side, this is where we will be able to add our image or add text. We choose our product design, our product colors over here by clicking on the colors that you would like to have, just like this. You could only select 5 backgrounds for your product, so choose wisely. So for me, I'm going to try and use this one. These options over here, just like that. And then over here, this is where you will be setting up your price. Now, before we do the other things, we're first going to focus on our designing our product. Now, if you already have a design, you can simply add your image by clicking on this button over here, and you will be able to see your image just like this. But if you don't have a design yet for your product, I suggest that you use Canva over here, which is an amazing platform for creating any type of design, whether it's an image or a video. You could use Canva and take advantage of all its elements and features that you could use to create an amazing design. As you can see here, I have my design over here, and I also created this design so that we would be able to have a design for our product over here. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour on Canva on how to use it. Over here on the left side, there will be elements over here. There will be thousands of elements that you could use depending on what topic you would like to have. For example, we will have a topic about coffee, just like that. And it will provide you with graphics, photos, videos, frames, and even audio about coffee. You could click on see all graphics over here and you would be able to see all the different graphics that you could use to create your own product. For example, this one, and you would be able to use this element over here. Now you could also have text over here, and there are a lot of font combination that you could use for creating your design. And you can simply search for whatever font that you would look like, and like I did earlier, click on it, it will appear on your canvas over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this design over here. I'm going to click on share and then download over here, and I'm going to select page 2 just like that and click on download. We're going to wait for it to download our design, and just like that. Now we're going to go back to Teespring and click on add image over here and add our product. It seems that we forgot to remove the background, so we're going to go back over here. We're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to enable transparent background over here and click on download. Now going back to Teespring, we're going to upload it once again. We're going to delete this for now, and we're going to upload it just like that. And this time we have no background. And over here, we're simply going to put it where we would like to have our design. As you can see here also, this is the format. This is like the bottom of the duffel bag, and make sure that you are putting your products correctly. And you could click on preview over here and you would be able to see what the product would look like right now. As you can see, it's just like this right now. So we're going to adjust it. We're going to bring it down a bit and put it on the center, just like that. We could add another image, just like this. And as you can see, there's duplicate now. So we're going to flip this one, just like that, so that we have the design on both sides, just like this. We're going to make sure it's centered. And over here, we have these 2 circles over here. This means that this is the side of our duffel bag. You could add designs here also if you would like. You could also click on text over here and you would be able to add a text on these sections over here. For example, we're going to add cat pizza, just like that. And then we could adjust the size just like that. And we would be able to edit the font by clicking on this button over here on the top, and you would be able to choose from the different fonts available over here. For example, like this, I can make it big, just like that. We have our design over here, just like that. And we're going to check out the preview right now. This is what our product looks like right now. We could see it on different colors by clicking on the buttons on the right side, just like this. It's also a black color over here. I don't think black is a good idea, so we're going to disable that and have blue instead, just like that. And after that, we're going to set our price. Currently, it's in the US. You could change this later on. And as you can see here, we have the pricing. You could change the pricing over here, maybe turn it to $60, just like that. And there's also advanced option over here. We could see our featured view over here. We could choose different mockups on how people would be able to see them on our product. You could see them over here, just like this. And we also have a featured color over here. We're going to choose this one, just like that. And we could click on product details, and we would be able to see the product details of our product over here, like the perfect for gym and use as an all-around day bag. Now we're going to X that. Now after doing this, you're going to click on continue over here below. Now after doing that, we would be proceeding with the style section over here. It's going to ask us if we would like to add more product with the same design that we have. For example, over here we have long sleeve t-shirt. It's a bit hard to see because it's color white, but it's there. We could also have die cut sticker over here. By clicking this, it would automatically add over there. We could click on whatever product we would like to have as with the same design, just like that. And after doing that, you're going to click on continue. And over here, this is where we will be able to launch our product. Over here, we have our products preview, and this is where we will be able to also edit our title. Now for the title of our product, we're going to say cat pizza, because that is what we added on our duffel bag earlier. We could add your description over here, and over here on advanced, you would be able to edit the URL handling, the visibility, or the which store you would like to add it. Now after doing that, you could either create new listing or add to existing listing. So we're going to click on create new listing, just like that. And we're going to click on launch listing over here. And just like that, we are currently finishing up on our product over here. As you can see here, they are currently generating product images. So we're going to wait for it. And just like that, it has finished creating our product. Now it seems that there's an error with the sticker over here. So we're going to ignore that right now. And as you can see here, we have our duffel bag over here. Now, if you want to edit your listing once again, you can click on this button over here and you would be able to edit the listing. There's also a promo code over here that you could use. As you can see, this is what you would give your customers code, and they will be able to earn $10 discount over here. Now that we have finished creating our product, we're going to look over here on the left side, and we're going to click on stores over here. Now over here on the store, this is where we will be able to create our store. As you can see here, we have this button over here, which is edit store. We're going to click this, and this is what we will be able to see. As you can see right now, the products that we have created are automatically added to our page over here. We are able to edit our navigation bar over here. We could upload the logo by clicking on select image, and you can select any image that you want, and it will add it as a logo. As you can see here on the top left of the page, and on here on the middle center, there will be a logo over here. Now you could add your social link. You could change the background color over here by clicking this. You could change it to any color you want, just like that. That is for your navigation bar. There are also menu items over here. You can change the color just like this. It will change the font color to whatever color that you are going to choose. You could add a background image, and it is recommended that you use 1650 and 600 pixel over here. You could do the same thing I did earlier. There's also advanced option over here where you are able to add subtitle, title, and a body. For example, you could add like a content section over here before they proceed with your products over here. You could also add buttons over here, button link, and change your background text, button background color, and button text color. Going back to layout, you could also edit your products over here. You could add more products into your page by selecting options over here. You could click on add products over here, or you could also get rid of products that you don't like to see on your page by clicking on the X button over here. After doing that, you're going to click on done, and your page would refresh. And as you can see, there are only 3 products on our page right now. Now that's all you can do with your store editing in Spring. There is not much you could change over here. You could also view it on mobile over here. This is what it would look like on a mobile phone. And after that, you're simply going to exit your editor, and you could click on view store. And this is now what your product would look like. You could click on a specific product you would like to buy, and you would see this product feature page over here. You could see the different mockups, just like this. We have our cat pizza text over here, and you could choose from the different color that we have over here. You could also see the size over here, and after doing that, you can simply click on add to cart, and you would be able to buy your product. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create your store in Teespring. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.